David, kinalbo niya doon yung dalawa, RJ and Scotty.
Personal output, 22 points for CJ Perez. But defensively, nahirapan talaga itong San Miguel. They allowed Barangay Ginebra to score 101 points. So that is a good barometer, a good gauge for Barangay Ginebra in terms of wins here in this conference.
Ang problema for CJ, 18 ng 22 na yun, first up pa na yung bag, ano?
Tama.
Ginebra goes to David. That's another assist for Scotty.
Oh, now Scotty Thompson has 9 assists. Binibigay sa ating mga facts ni Fidel Mangonon.
Iba, no? Usually nagka-career high. Hindi pang triple-double ang career high sa scoring, ha? Usually scoring lang. Ito tong triple-double po.
Fun fact is, Ronnie Magsanok had a 32, 13, and 18 for Shell. And a 20-26 na eh. Paki-compute nga.
18 assists?
Coach
Ronnie,
Magsanok yun.
kung may score ka ng 32, pero may 18 assist ka pa, that's another 36. Di ba?
Ronnie Magsanok yun. Iba rin yun. Kilala ni Benji yun. Benji
Yun.
Paras yun.
Sa 18 assist, siguro mga 12 papunta kay Paras, ano?
13 bilang.
Si Escobar pinasahan din kaso hindi na-shoot, so hindi assist.
19 sana.
103-91. Rosario putting on the...
Like the old cliche, Barangay Ginebra showing that they wanted it more. It is very important for them to notch a victory here in Game 4 to tie the count at 2 games apiece. It would be very difficult for them. Had they lost this one, they'll be down 1-3. Nakapakahirap niyan. But now, it's gonna be down to a best of 3.
It's gonna be a virtual best of 3 starting on Wednesday. Game 5, Game 6 parehong Araneta, and if necessary, Araneta pa rin tayo sa 7.
Naku, sigurado, ganito na naman ang dami na dadagsa sa Araneta Coliseum.
Miyerkules po yan, and it will be the 7:30. What a fight back by Barangay Ginebra. 16 yung hinabol nila back in the first half. Napakasama ng kanilang first quarter, natambakan ng ganun-ganun lang. Pero yung karakter ng Barangay Ginebra, sumipa na naman yung NSD nila.
Tama, and superb third quarter, or fourth quarter rather, for Barangay Ginebra. A 33-point output for them. Don't shoot, no need.
Sabi nga ni RJ, what you doing? What you